Is this real?
It's real. This is
Yeah, it's disgusting.
This is real.
No matter where you are, he can get you in the car of your dreams.
Who's loaning the money, though?
What's going on, folks? It's your boy Steve Got Me Rolling. Today I got my dog Cam here, approved on the 17 Ford F-150, first time buyer. How was your experience here today, my man?
Silver, I was in here. It took a little longer than expected, but I was in and out. You know, he made it happen. A miracle with a low credit score. I mean, got it going.
Well, sir, if you're in the market for the vehicle, all you need is your ID, piece of mail, and your name. Shoot me a DM at Steve Got Me Rolling. We'll get you rolling off today.
Is this real?
Oh, yeah.
No, we've
are
been
you not familiar with Steve-O?
Well, you've been following the crypto live in your car.
Yeah.
We've been following Steve-O. He makes an entire living off of people with bad credit, small down payments, and then financing years upon years on cars that are going to depreciate rapidly.
So this is real.
It's disgusting.
It's real.
Yeah,
This
it's
is real.
disgusting.
His whole thing is no matter where you are financially, he can get you in the car of your dreams. You show up and Steve-O will get you rolling.
Steve Got Me Rolling.
And what you end up with is 84-month car loans with like $100 down and 19% interest rates. And he is selling this over and over and over again to a social following.
I talked to a guy who runs a car dealership who does stuff like this.
Right.
And he says the way he structures it, because some of these buyers are very high risk. There's a large percentage of them that can make the first few payments and then they stop. So the way he said he structures it is by making payments due every other week. So that way they're not going to get like a full month behind
They
on a
naturally
payment.
get ahead just by that cadence.
Exactly. So if they default, you'll know after the 2 weeks, and it's an easy repossession after that point.
Imagine if your whole business was set up on the fact that most of your customers are going to fail and fall off. It drives me nuts because we know in our world, in our view, automobiles can be like napalm to your personal financial wealth. If you're borrowing on a car, you're putting a low down payment, you're financing it over 84 months, you are never going to own that automobile and you're never going to be able to build wealth outside of the car.
You can't afford the car. I mean, that's one of the reasons we talk about, the 23.8 when you have to have transportation, but that never applies to luxury vehicles, large, expensive vehicles. That's why, paying $600 a month for the next 84 months, he's not funding his Roth IRA.
Nope.
He's not going to ever have enough capital, so he doesn't have to work. And that's the part that saddens me when people drive their wealth instead of actually building something that can work harder than they can with their back, their head, or even their hands.
Who's loaning the money, though? Because it has to be a positive ROI.
You would think so, but again, it might be one of those things that interest rates are so high. So they'll tell you they have like 14, 15, 18% interest rates on these auto loans, and the people end up not sticking with it. So I don't know what the cost associated with a loan close are, but it's not a great deal for the consumer. These people should not be able to get into these vehicles.